In this video, we're going to talk about how do you repurpose content on social media with AI. Nothing technical. You can set up everything in seconds. No edit and no Zapier, no make. Before we jump into the demo and the secret AI tool that I use, make sure you like and subscribe so more people can see this video. All right, so here's the agenda for today's class, today's video. I'm going to talk about how I use content repurpose, why you should repurpose content like this, what's the benefit, right? I mean, if you're not gaining anything, like why do it? And then the tool that I use, again, no technical setup. That's my promise to you. We'll do a step-by-step demo, so stay tuned. Also, I'm gonna stay till the end because I'm gonna show you as a bonus how to use this tool with Claude or Codex, so you can do everything from one window. If you use Claude Code or Claude, you can do everything. You can use this tool from there. All right, so that's the total agenda. First thing, how I use repurpose. So check this out. Here's the Instagram. We're growing. So we post these reels here on Instagram, and automatically, with the help of this tool, these reels show up on the Facebook page. So Instagram is growing, the Facebook page is growing. I'm not posting these reels. The tool that I'm gonna show you is posting. Same thing, YouTube, the same videos are getting posted here. Also on TikTok, same videos are getting posted, and we are growing all the channels with one video. So we post on Instagram, and then it gets distributed automatically using RobinReach. That's a tool, AI tool for social media. It does everything that a typical social media marketing management tool does. Plus, it has a lot of more amazing features, especially the repurpose feature and also the integration with Claude Code and Codex. So now let's do the demo. I'm gonna log in. So by the way, I do have a special link, and there's a special announcement at the end that I'll make. I'll make sure the link is below. By the way, I'll tell you right now, you can get this tool for a lifetime deal. You don't have to pay monthly. That's the surprise announcement I was gonna make at the end, but you know it now, and the link is gonna be below in the description and the comments. All right, so once you log in, this is what you see. You can see right here. It looks kind of scary, but I'm not doing anything. I'm just posting on one platform, and then this tool repurposes everything for me. A huge time saver. So once you create an account, log in, you're gonna go to social profiles, and you'll see I have a lot of profiles connected. To connect more, you can click on add more right here, and now you can connect all the major social media: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, everything, all of your channels here. Super easy to connect everything in seconds. And then once everything is connected, that was step number one. Step number two is you can go to compose and then select the channel from here, and then you can post text post, image post, links, blog article. There's so many options here, but we're gonna focus on this magical button, this option, this module, whatever you want to call it, the section repurpose. So when you go in there, you can see I have several repurpose flow built in right here, and then this is one, but I have several brands, so we use several different repurpose tasks or repurpose flow to save time and do the content repurposing on the autopilot. So on this one from Instagram, it's going to Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Also, it goes to Threads too, and LinkedIn and X or Twitter. So a lot of different options here. So now to set one up yourself is super easy. I told you it's literally gonna take seconds. So let's do it right now with me, a quick demo of that. So to create a new task, we're gonna do content repurpose and then click here, new task. So think of a task of one flow. So maybe you wanna go from Instagram, like me, Instagram to your other social media channel. That's one flow. Let's say you wanna go from TikTok to Instagram. That could be a separate flow. In my case, I have several clients or several brands, so I set up different tasks for each one of those, for all of those. So now the first one is source profile. This is where you want the content. This is where it's gonna take the videos or content from. So if you click here, you see all these options here. You can do Facebook pages, Instagram, TikTok, those are the three sources actually. So Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Those are your three sources. So let's say in this example, I want to go from Instagram. So I'm going to connect that source profile. What's the destination profile? So where do you want this tool to post your videos to? It's going to take from Instagram, and then for the same brand, iSocialU, I want Facebook. I want, let's say, Threads. I want YouTube. And let's say I want TikTok. So from one channel, it's gonna go to 4. So you don't have to download, save on your phone, spend time and post. It will take a lot of time to actually do it manually. Now, here's a couple of controls or settings. Skip posts with these hashtags. So if you wanna skip some posts, you can set up some criteria, some hashtags. So for example, if I do this, this means any post that has a hashtag reels on Instagram, it's not gonna run this content repurpose task or flow. It's gonna skip it. Now these options, auto publish means it will, as soon as you publish, in few minutes, it will republish or repost on all of the other channels. You can disable this, which means it will not automatically publish. It will put those or save those as draft, and then you can review and publish it. So you have a lot of control. You can have also AI optimize it, and also you can include images. In addition to videos, right now we do a lot of video repurposing, but you can also include images and do it. And then add the task. So once it's added, I've already done this. I already have this task, so I'm gonna cancel this. And let me find that task here, and so we can review it. Here's that exact task. So it's iSocialU from Instagram, auto publish is enabled, the other two are disabled, skip hashtags are reel, and its destination is 3 different places. YouTube, TikTok, and Thread. So we had Facebook, but we took it off from here. But on some of these, you'll notice we also have Facebook too. So once you set up everything, then you're done. Now all you gotta do is just post on your source social media account, and then this tool will distribute that on all the other channels, help you grow everywhere. So imagine if you have clients, if you work with multiple people, this is super handy, because what we do with our clients is we tell them, you just worry about Instagram. You're just gonna post on Instagram, and here is your strategy. And then we will handle everything else. And guess who's handling everything else? RobinReach, right? The last thing I want to talk about is if you go here, let AI run your social, you can connect the MCP of RobinReach with Claude. So I'm going to briefly show you what that does. So once it's connected, let me find, there you go. So once the RobinReach and Claude are connected, you can see the description. You can see all the once you connect here, it's gonna show my API keys and everything. So that's why I'm not connecting. But it's literally 3 steps, and it will tell you how to do it step by step. So once you do it, now inside Claude, without opening RobinReach, look what I did. First I said, give me 15 one-line statements, one-line Facebook post ideas. So Claude gave me those ideas, but here's the magic right here. I said, use Robin and schedule these on my Facebook page. And guess what? Everything was scheduled. I did not even have to open RobinReach. So that's the power of MCPs and using Claude. And if you go back here and go to scheduling, everything got scheduled from that one conversation. So this is unbelievable. All right, last surprise, I already mentioned in the beginning. I'll put the link below. You don't have to pay monthly. There is a lifetime deal right now on AppSumo for RobinReach. I'll put the link below. It's my affiliate link. You can go check it out. You can also go directly if you want, but you don't have to pay monthly. You can do a lifetime deal and then be done with the payment. Any question about content repurposing or AI automation, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.